If you've forgotten your Optus phone's password, don't worry. You can still factory reset it using recovery mode. This bypasses the lock screen. First, power off your device completely. Then, simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power buttons until the Optus logo appears. Once you see the Android recovery screen, release the buttons. Use the volume keys to navigate through the menu options and select Wipe Data Factory Reset using the power button. Confirm your choice by selecting Factory Data Reset. This will erase all data on your phone. Finally, select Reboot System Now. Keep in mind, this will remove all your personal data, apps, and settings, but will not affect the SIM card or SD card. After the factory reset, you might encounter Factory Reset Protection, or FRP. This is Google's security feature that prevents unauthorized access to your device after a reset. If FRP is active, you'll see a Google sign-in screen like this. You'll need to connect to Wi-Fi and log in with the last Google account used on the phone. If you can't remember the Google account, contact Optus support for assistance. They can help with bypass options for verified owners. Before attempting this process, back up your data to Google Drive or Optus Cloud Backup if possible. The factory reset is irreversible and will erase all your data. Remember, resetting a device that isn't yours is illegal. Optus may require proof of ownership, such as IMEI verification, before providing reset assistance. Note that this method works on most Android versions, but button combinations may vary slightly between phone models. Always consult your device's manual or Optus support for the specific button combination for your phone model.